right, check it out there here, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Coast Guard. Okay, I want some Coast Guard music. I don't know what Coast Guard music is, but it's going to be this today, ladies and gentlemen. So here we go. Let's jam as we've got the MH-65 here. Well, that's just cool. All right, guys, we got the MH-65 here. We're stoked that they could make it out here today, and these guys have no problem staying inside that aerobatic box to put on a show for you today. Folks, it's known as the MH-65 Delta, commonly referred to as the Dolphin or the Dauphin. It's a twin-engine, short-range recovery helicopter and is a variant of the French-built Eurocopter AS-365 Dolphin. There we go. We've got them right at show center, folks. So get your cameras ready. This is going to be such a cool search and rescue demo. The helicopter right now is manned by a crew of 4. It takes 2 pilots, a flight mechanic, and a rescue swimmer. The crew today is joining us from Air Station Atlantic City. The Air Station is an 11-aircraft unit and has 2 24/7 search and rescue ready crews. They're able to be airborne en route within 30 minutes of a distress call. The MH-65 is known for its unique tail, called a fin stern, and its autopilot capabilities, which can complete an unaided approach to the water and bring the aircraft into a stable 50-foot cover or automatically fly search and rescue patterns. It's an ability which allows the crew to engage in other tasks. Check this out. You can see they've got essentially their rescue swimmer kind of on the edge there. Keep a close watch on it. Man, what a sharp-looking helicopter up there, too. I love the vibrant colors, and I love the fact that we get to experience a Coast Guard rescue demonstration, and it doesn't have to be the real deal, right? This is the way to do it. The Dolphin is usually deployed from the shore, but it can be deployed from medium and high-endurance Coast Guard cutters, as well as the polar icebreakers. Check it out! Give the jumper away! Swimmer, away. Sorry, skydiver girl over here. Still talking about jumping out of planes because I want to jump their helicopter right now. Big waves, everybody. I love this. So the trail line you see descending from the helicopter is used to aid boat crews in delivering the rescue basket directly to the deck of the vessel. Time permitting, this is the safest way to guide the basket onto the vessel, especially in heavy sea states. Once on the deck, the survivor would be loaded into the rescue basket. The helicopter then moves into position over the boat and begins hoisting the survivor. The crew on deck will tend the trail line, but in urgent situations, the trail line can be disconnected altogether. Go right back up. One more big wave. They also have a direct basket to boat method, and that is the fastest method for retrieving multiple survivors from a single vessel in a short amount of time, and that's by sending the basket directly to the vessel without a trail line. During this maneuver, the helicopter must precisely hover directly over the vessel for the duration. The basket is capable of holding up to 600 pounds, making it possible to hoist 2 survivors at once. They also have a swimmer direct insertion, so in many circumstances, the best course of action may be to lower the rescue swimmer onto the vessel before retrieving survivors. This allows the rescue swimmer to assess the situation and advise the crew of the best method to retrieve or assist persons on board. The rescue swimmer is a trained basic EMT and is extensively trained in maritime survival. They also have free-fall swimmers. The free-fall deployment of the swimmer is the fastest method of getting the rescue swimmer on scene in the water with the survivor. Once the helicopter descends low enough, the will slide out of the door and down to the water. Once the swimmer gives the "I'm okay" signal, he will move to assess the scene and decide which equipment to use for the recovery of survivors. They also have harness swimmer maneuvers, where the rescue swimmer is being lowered to the water using a harness deployment. They'll enter the water and elect to either detach or stay connected to the cable. They then proceed to make contact with the survivor and signal to the helicopter the desired recovery method. And last but not least, we've got the rescue sling. This device you'll see a swimmer descending on is called a rescue sling that they use, and it's the main advantage to that method of deployment is that they may choose to release themselves from that sling at any time during the evolution. That's got the purpose of avoiding heavy seas or reaching the survivor as quick as possible. Check it out. Looks like they're making a little pass here. But wow, what a cool search and rescue demo. Again, I'm happy to see it at an air show and not in real life. I don't know about you, but great photo opportunity coming up here. They're going to do one final pass for you, ladies and gentlemen. The U.S. Coast Guard MH-65 Dolphin.